Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today's blogging video, we're gonna go over...
Hey, Lucci, have you heard of the new potential app for bloggers and writers?
No, I kind of didn't have a video idea to go over, so thank you. Let's see what this app is all about.
You're welcome. Now shush and get to the review.
What up, I'm Lucci, and we're gonna be talking about the new app. So yeah, well, this app is called Speare, and Speare is basically like a thought processor writing app planning thing. And it's actually short for Shakespeare. That's why they got it from Shakespeare, because Shakespeare has to do with writing project. I create a lot of content for writers, you know, to help you be the best blogger you can and put your writing content out. Being a millennial writer obsessed with blogging and writing, I really care about you guys. I really want you to make it and crush it and go out there and live the life that you've dreamed of. There's plenty of platforms to put your content out there. We got Medium, we got Ghost, we got WordPress, we got Blogger, we got Wattpad, all of these platforms, even Polygon if you really want to be a gaming writer. But this is huge. It's finally a good app out there that can help you plan your ruckus out there. The founder of Speare is named Kent Cisco, and the app is really amazing because on the spot you say what you're thinking in your head and it writes it down on the app. And the best way I can think of this app, it's kind of like Trello, where you kind of have these building blocks, and each of these blocks have like different information. You can categorize them and just really breathe because you have like an application that can plan out your project. Another thing, you don't download this app on the App Store. It's like a complete website almost, so you can kind of get it straight from the website and then you can kind of put it down. So there's a whole YouTube and blog about this telling you how Speare works and how it is. How-to guy's name is Nathaniel Cisco, and he just does videos on just how to work Speare and how it does, and
He's kinda charming.
Okay, Google. This app is not on the App Store. There's not many reviews on it, but there is some reviews on the blog website. So some of the reviews have stated, let's read them. By Chris Brogan, Speare makes me feel like a writing ninja. Right on. By Scott Rivley, I hope I said that right. I've done sermon prep the same way for 20 years, but I have switched. I found Speare to be an efficient and natural way to capture, organize, and prepare my messages. So some pretty great reviews on what the app has done for how long it's only been out. It just came out like last year, so it's a very new app. The pricing on it, it's a 14 free trial once you get it, but there's 3 pricing methods. When you buy the app, you have to pay monthly, you know, $14 a month, the first tier $99 a month, and then there's the $4 a month annually. So yes, this app has a great free trial, and if you have the money, you can possibly invest in Speare and see where it takes you. This app kind of definitely reminds me of if like Evernote and Trello kind of coalesced and just formed a whole new masterpiece. Of course, since Speare has a YouTube, there's of course going to be feedback in the comments, so let's go through the comments so we can really see what people think about this freaking app. So some reviews have stated, you know, there's no mobile app for this, where one is a mobile app coming, it hasn't come out yet. There's no double space feature. People are saying the support team doesn't respond to emails from Speare if they need tech support. Yeah, just a few cons on the app that's going on here. Yeah, this app has a lot of promise. If you're thinking, Lucci, what do you think about Speare? I think it's awesome. I think it's a great app for writers and bloggers. You know, give it a shot. Try it. You don't know what you think about something if you try it. So give it a shot. I might even possibly give it a shot too and see what it's like, and might do a future video. Personally, for me, I only use 2 materials to plan out my content. I use my journal. I actually journal. Journaling was one of the best things I've done because personally I have really bad anxiety. Like, I've been doing content so much that, you know, my mind would just race for hours and hours, and I couldn't sleep, and I just wanted my brain to die because I just couldn't stop racing. And I got back into journaling, and it's been incredible. And then I also did Trello. Trello is amazing because it helps categorize your content. You can do different tabs, and then each of those tabs you write inside them, and then you just organize. Oh, I love Trello so much. I don't know everything, you know, I'm still learning this content thing, but yeah, this app is a great possible app. Like, you don't even have to focus on, you know, having Evernote or having Trello or having all these applications. All you need is Speare, and you can just, whatever's coming in your mind, you say it and you plan it. You write stuff out, you plan tabs, you can even put images, and you could just pretty much plan out your blog posts in minutes, and then post it on your site, your Medium, your Wattpad, whatever, and just kind of do finishing touches on the actual platform. You don't need to work that hard. You basically just go on the website, you create an account, you have your 14-day free trial, and you're set. You have your Speare, and you just test stuff out, see what works for you, test different possible hacks, and just see what's behind the app. Give it a shot. Hold it, I have to charge my phone. Sorry for that dramatic pause there. Speaking of apps for bloggers and writers, I feel like there really needs to be like a really good app. Lucy Moon did a Twitter post about, I feel like more readers would be into the blogging space if there was a really good app for writers and bloggers, almost like an Instagram, a Twitter, a Twitch, a YouTube, a really good social platform for bloggers and writers to just talk and kind of form a community, like a social media platform. But I feel like there needs to be something even bigger where they just combine all these platforms to make something magical. I think this app will take over Trello, take over Evernote, take over all these to-do lists and apps. I don't know. This app is still fairly extremely new. Only time will tell to see if this app is really going to skyrocket and take off and thrive. At the end of the day, use what makes you comfortable, and you know, something as simple as just journaling is one of the best planning things because it just spurs your creative mind.
Here's what writing without Speare feels like.
And keep pushing, keep, stomping on those people who are telling you no. Being in high school, I kind of want to really appeal to those millennials who want to be a big blogger, be a big writer, and just have those people say, oh, you're not going to make it as a writer, or you have to be out there to talk to people, not just write and hide in the room. I'm here to voice for you, be the voice for you. Don't forget that you're worth it. Find your place in the writing space. You have an impact to share. You have a message to share. And remember, it's all about the audience that you give to, and they will reciprocate. But yes, that's the end of this. Don't forget to go out there and crush over me. I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Oh.